Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to another episode where we don't just talk about English, we help you live English.
And today's episode is something very simple, but life-changing.
It's called English Practice While Walking. Folklore, real talk.
Let's be honest. You've been learning English for years, right?
You understand videos. You understand grammar. You even know a lot of words.
But when it's time to speak,
You freeze.
your mind goes blank.
And suddenly, everything disappears.
Why does this happen?
Because you practiced English in your head, but never in your real life.
So today, we change that.
Step 1. Rewire your thinking. At first, your brain will resist,
It will try to pull you back to your native language.
but you don't stop.
You start small. I am walking. I feel good. The weather is nice.
Simple sentences, simple words, but powerful change.
Because this is the moment you stop translating.
And start thinking in English. Step 2. Break the silence.
Now comes the most important part. Speaking, not in your mind, out loud.
Yes, maybe softly, maybe a little awkwardly, but you speak.
Say anything. I woke up late today. I want to improve my English. I feel a little tired but motivated.
At first, your sentences will break.
You'll stop in the middle.
You'll search for words.
And that's perfectly okay.
Truth bomb. Fluency is not built when everything is perfect.
Fluency is built when you keep going, even when it's messy.
Step 3. Turn the world into your teacher.
Now look around you. Everything you see becomes your lesson.
A tree? Say it. There is a tall tree on my left.
A child playing? Say it. A child is playing happily.
The sky. Describe it. The sky looks soft and beautiful.
You are no longer just walking.
You are learning naturally. Step 4. Deep self-conversation.
Now, let's go deeper.
Talk to yourself. Not just simple sentences, real conversations.
Ask yourself, what did I learn today? Why do I want to speak English fluently? What is my dream?
And then answer. Take your time. Explain your thoughts.
This is where real transformation happens.
Emotional shift. At some point, something changes.
You stop feeling shy,
You stop overthinking.
and suddenly, English feels natural.
Consistency over perfection. Listen carefully. You don't need 2 hours.
You just need 10 minutes every day.
10 minutes of focused speaking is more powerful than 2 hours of passive learning.
Day by day, step by step, word by word, you improve.
Free yourself.
Let go of fear,
Let go of perfection. Let go of what will people think.
because most people are not even paying attention.
And even if they are, that doesn't matter.
Your growth matters. Your future matters.
Transformation vision. Imagine yourself after 30 days.
You speak without fear.
You express your thoughts easily.
You don't translate anymore.
You just speak. Powerline.
You're not bad at English.
You're just not practicing it the right way. Final closing. So next time you go for a walk,
Don't just walk silently.
don't just scroll your phone.
Don't waste that moment.
Use it.
Speak.
Grow.
Transform.
Every step you take.
Is one step closer to fluency. Start today. Start now. And never stop moving forward.